I work with a lot of dealers and a lot of sales reps that I send leads to, and I manage them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, one rep in particular, I was just talking to him, and he told me straight up his first email is like 100 pages long because he writes down how long he's been in business, what he's been selling, he's been selling to around that lead.
Mm-hmm.
I guess what would your advice be to help him? Because I know for a fact he's losing deals because of it. What would be your advice to help him change what he's doing, or at least help him close more deals?
Give him my phone number and tell him to reference this conversation. The short answer is he's never read any of those emails himself. It's really weird when we look in the mirror. He's like, and I get why he needs to do it. He's not being unskillful he's being skillful in thinking, I need to tell him this, this, and this, but yet he's never read an email that long. Nobody's ever read the fine print, right? Nobody's ever opened up their medication and unfolded the fold out that's in there, unfortunately. We couldn't if we tried. Like, that's exactly what he's doing, is he's basically becoming the pharmaceutical commercial that's like, platitude causes death, cancer, depression. Like, well, it's like they try and get all that out as quickly as they can because it's bad. And I'm not saying he's bad and he's talking about side effects of doing business with him, but at the same token, nobody is reading all of that, right? And it's just, it's heavy, and it looks like every other email out there. Less is more when it comes to emails. Nobody's like, thank goodness you sent me 100 pages, I'm ready to buy. They're still going to call and ask you questions, and you still need to go through it. We just don't read that stuff.
Yeah, and I know it's his initial contact email, and I know it's just going straight to junk, and he's not getting callbacks because of it.
100%.
Me saying, why am I not getting callbacks?
It's too much, right? Like, think if we were dating, right? It wouldn't be, hey, my name's Matt, and and in 1972 I broke my arm, and then blah 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 blah. We wouldn't do all that. We'd be like, hey, are you going to the Oilers-Panthers game tonight? Man, no, I wish. I got an extra ticket. I don't know if you like things happen in slower bites. Like, we're trying to get a first date here. We're not trying to tell them our entire life story in an email. But I'm not making fun of him for doing that. I appreciate why he's doing that. He has good intentions of doing that. But it's just not.
Absolutely.
Business and dating tend to share a lot because it's a relationship, right? And you wouldn't do that if you were trying to meet somebody. You'd just be like, dude, is that an Oilers jersey? What do you think's going to happen with McDavid, right? Like, we've got to start the conversation in slower bites. When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.